Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
1999. Hello. Hello. I'm gonna take these last three
How you
calls.
doing, Michelle?
I'm good. Who am I speaking with?
This is Lisa. How you doing?
Hey, Lisa. How you doing?
Good. And shout out to the chat. Now look, I want to go back. I want to go back for a minute, Michelle, because see, I remember all of this with the Madison and Khia got started when you was doing your job as a researcher and a journalist. Okay, on finding out what happened with the corporation.
Mm-hmm.
And it seems like once you got to the nitty gritty, then it's like the mob came out.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Against you.
Yeah, she got to be shut up. We got to shut her up. She uncovering some things we didn't want to be uncovered. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. And I felt like nobody else was getting bullied that was reporting and finding out the same exact thing. It was just you. You know, you've been around over 10 years, And so I felt like you had a bigger audience, you had a bigger platform, so we're going to go in on Michelle, okay? Because that's going to give me clicks and views and subscriptions and get my shit up.
Because if you Google any of that stuff, straight from the A is going to come up. YouTube ain't coming up.
Straight from the A.
Instagram ain't coming up. Straight from the A is going to come up. You Google Queen's Court breakup and all that, you're going to see straight from the A. You're going to see the videos. You're going to see the content that Yeah.
So I feel like you got targeted. I feel you was a target in that situation. And so then we knew what happened after the breakup, and we saw all the videos about the breakup, and Khia giving her side, and Madison giving her side. And this is my thing. Who owns the Queen's Court? Because when you are a corporation, when you get a trademark, when you get a copyright, you have certain, limited protections. But my question is, we know they broke up. We know that Madison was, and Khia was supposed to do a deal with Nicki Minaj. Khia wasn't having that. And then Madison showed the paperwork on the video about, hey, I said run that on the credit card about, owning and getting the copyright and getting the trademark.
Uh-huh.
Did the trademark go through?
I never even followed up. I just knew he put it in the application and he put in every name except Khia's.
The application, which can take 9 months,
it take like 6 months, 6 to 8 months.
Everybody's always talking about I own this and I own that and I did that and do you really own it? Mm. And we talk about facts and receipts all the time. And so I was having a conversation with a coworker of mine who watches Madison a lot, and you're like, Madison owned it. I'm telling you, Madison owned it. I was like, okay, well, prove it. I remember the video. I saw the video. Everybody saw it, And so they came back and with egg on their face. The trademark,
because they was lying,
on the government website was abandoned in November.
Oh, okay.
So who owned the Queen Coat?
Nope.
Who owned the Queen Coat?
Nobody now, I guess.
Okay. So, I know you have certain limited protections, right? As a corporation, if you paid your fees and you have certain protections, if you have intellectual property rights, you know what I mean? You're making your videos, you're being creative, you have certain rights there. However, federally, on the federal level, I'm talking about the federal, who owns it? Can Khia get her? Can Khia get it now?
Yeah, she go spend her $600 or whatever.
Okay.
She could go get it.
Okay.
If she want it. I see it now. Okay. Look, I see. Ooh.
I was shocked. I was shocked because I'm like, all this time.
You didn't got me pulling receipts.
Okay, well, it's a done dollar. Khia didn't, Khia had the Queen's Court all this time, but never invested, in getting all of the protections and the paperwork done. So Madison has it, But then when they came back and they showed me I was like, are you serious?
I see it. I'm about to put it up
right now. Are you serious?
I'm about to put it up.
I can't believe this. I can't. What? So yeah, baby.
You just spilled some tea for the day. You did, and I just literally looked it up.
I dropped the mic, and I'm out. Michelle, you have a good one. And so does everybody else.
Wait, you gotta be on live while I post it. Hold on. I'm about to put it up here. Hold on, because I just literally just went to the damn site and put it. Hold on. There you go. Look, abandoned, failure to respond, or late response, 11/26/2018. The filing date was last year, January 29th. This is the same document that I posted last year that had proved that he had filed it without Khia's name on it and put everybody else's name on it. So he abandoned it. I guess that's the tea for today. Thank you, caller.
And good night.
And good night. Drop mic. Ooh, look at y'all. Caller 9065. Khia, go get your name, girl. Go get your name. Caller 9.